This is not a personality test. This is not a diagnosis. This is a short awareness analysis of the darker side of your mind. A dark mind does not mean evil, chaos, or danger. It means something else entirely. A dark mind observes more than it reacts. It processes more than it expresses. If some of the following signs feel familiar, your mind may be deeper than you realize. 1. You think more clearly in silence. Most people avoid silence, but if your thoughts become sharper when everything is quiet, your mind is wired for internal analysis. Dark minds don't need noise to think. They need space. 2. You notice what people don't say. Tone changes, pauses, eye contact. If you read between the words, instead of focusing only on them, your brain is constantly collecting unconscious data. This isn't intuition, it's cognitive sensitivity. 3. You don't express emotions immediately. When you feel anger, sadness, or frustration, you don't release it right away. This isn't suppression, it's filtering. Dark minds process emotion before turning it into action. 4. You question your own thoughts. You don't just think. You ask yourself why you think the way you do. This ability, called meta-awareness, is one of the clearest markers of advanced cognitive depth. 5. Crowds drain you more than they used to. This isn't a desire for isolation. It's a reaction to mental overstimulation. Deep-thinking minds function best in controlled environments, not constant external input. 6. You don't deny your darker traits. Fear, jealousy, anger. You recognize these emotions instead of pretending they aren't there. This isn't weakness. It's psychological maturity. Dark minds don't escape their shadow. They study it. 7. You avoid labeling people as good or bad. You hesitate before judging. This means your thinking isn't binary, and non-binary thinking is a sign of mental complexity. 8. Life sometimes feels meaningless, not in a hopeless way, but in a questioning one. This isn't depression. It's existential awareness. Surface-level answers don't satisfy deep minds. 9. You aren't afraid of your darkest thoughts. You observe them without panic, without acting on them. At that point, one thing becomes clear. Your mind isn't controlling you. You are controlling it. This video is not here to define you. It's here to make you aware. If several of these signs felt uncomfortably accurate, your mind may be darker than average and far more powerful.